Hello and welcome to Matt's Garage. Here's the next part of our shed series. A lot of progress. Doesn't look like much from the last video, but it took me a while to get everything squared up. It turns out I had to do a little shifting of the sill plates a little bit. I had to widen one of the holes for the anchor bolts, and squaring it up up top after that really wasn't too bad. I did the trick of using two tape measures that I'd determined are, within a 32nd of each other, putting a small brad nail up in each corner. In fact, you can probably even see one of the brad nails still in there, silhouetted against the tree there. And on most tape measures, there's actually a little hole that's right about the size of a brad nail. So I was able to hook two tape measures on so that they stayed put at a fixed distance out of the corner, measure out to the other corners, do it a little shifting, shimmying, clamping, and the top plates went on very nicely. So now, as you can see, I am on to the sheathing. Everything is 16 inches on center, although because of just the nature of the shed and how I wanted to make best use of materials, I actually started all of my layout from the very center of each of the walls. So there's a center stud, and then off of those are 16 inches, and then there's things like doors and a window and all that. So really good progress. I expect it's about 11 o'clock in the morning today. I've got a couple more hours of cold sunlight up here in the Boston area. I should be able to get it, if not fully sheathed, then very close to fully sheathed today. I'm working by myself, so it's a little challenging. I have to do the measurements, make the cuts, get the boards positioned. The bigger boards are a little challenging. I have to sort of clamp them up at the top to get them where I want them to be. As you can see over here, there's a couple of clamps in place on that board. So that takes a little bit of time, but other than that, once the board's positioned, the first few nails are in, it goes fast. Obviously using pneumatic framing nailer for the sheathing. It's a 2-inch ring shank nails. The sheathing itself is ½ inch, or 15/16 as they say. So yeah, really happy with where I am so far. Probably take a little break for Christmas, and then after the holidays, come back and start building a roof. All right, thanks. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.